Greetings, everybody. Today, I have a political statement to make in regards to the DCP party leader, several visits and utterances in our Kajiado County. I want to let my friend Rigathi Gachagua to know that Kajiado people are very independent of their minds. They're very wise, intelligent, and cannot be underrated by anybody. I would like to remind him that he is on record saying to the people of Kenya that there are no more fools in Kenya. His former boss is also on record, the President of the Republic of Kenya, saying there are no fools in Kenya. So I want to remind Honorable Gachagua that Kajiado is in Kenya. When you came to Lolua Ward at Kirarapon, you told people of Kajiado to elect one Honorable Seki, who is a Kajiado senator. You went to Bisil, you went to Loitoktok, you went all over the county and endorsing the same person. And I would like to tell you that with the intelligence we have, we are intelligent enough to know who is best fit to lead the county of Kajiado. So, Bwana Gachagua, I'd like to tell you this. Leave us alone. If you feel that Seki did a lot for you, give him some land in Nyeri, nominate him for presidency because you don't qualify. Let him come for presidency, we will vote for him. But anything to do with any political seat in the county of Kajiado, please stay afar. And I'd like again to tell you that we are in this mess in the Republic of Kenya because of you. We spoke to you, we talked to you as Kenyans together when you were in Azimio. We told you who was the best president for Kenya. You and your allies refused to hear. We tried our best. We spoke in Swahili, those who could. Luo spoke to you in English. Uhuru spoke to you in your mother tongue. You refused to hear. No sooner than you sat in the seat of deputy president, the speed you left us with is the same speed you came with. And I would like to tell you, we are even not certain that you are coming to stay with us in the opposition. We don't trust you. And in Kajiado, we don't need those wheelbarrows. More so, Mr. Seki. So, Bwana Gachagua, ningependa kukueleza, tunakuangalilia 18. Wachana na mambo ya Kajiado kabisa. Na hata kamwe uje kwanza tukuone kwanza hata kama uko joining kwa hii mambo yako ya kusema Ruto must go. Because according to me, if Ruto must go, Gachagua to go, tubaki na Azimio. Because you are birds of the same feather. Ya pili, Bwana Gachagua, nimekueleza na nitarudia ndio Wakenya wenzangu wasikie. Ile speed ulitoka naye kwenda kwa Ruto, ndio hiyo speed ulikuja naye, na hatujui kama destination yako ni Azimio ama ni kwingine ama unarudi. Kwa hivyo mambo ya kutuletea wheelbarrow Kajiado ikome. Kama unapenda Seki kati ya shamba huko kwenu ama zile property tunasikia sijui linyang'anya ndugu yako ama nani, ndio upatie Seki. Lakini mambo ya Kajiado sahau.